what is that inspiration for you when you develop these dishes? What is it that makes it like that's what you want to use, or that's what you want to focus on?
Well, if I'm gonna tell you exactly how they're done, or how is that I come up with them, it's like when I paint. I go in and start throwing paint, and then I go, oh, it's missing this color here, or the contrast is too heavy on this side. So same thing with food. There is times where customers themselves kind of guide me which direction I'm gonna go towards certain items. I have some spices that I go very well with poultry, or some spices that I go very well with meat. So I don't use the spices from poultry into the meat side.
Yeah.
And same with vegetables, and same with other items, or seafood. So that's what it makes us different from a lot. If you don't like it once, don't go for it again, because it's gonna be exactly the same as it was the first time. But if you love it once, you're gonna continue loving it the second and third and fourth and fifth time.
Fifth time, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Without a doubt. And that's one of the priorities that we have here. Consistency. And when the food is fresh, it does actually not need that much of a seasoning. As long as it's fresh, automatically, give that presentation and the flavor.
Yeah, I totally agree with that. I've had the good fortune of having several of your dishes here, and I noticed that like your Cancun Steak has a different ratio of, in fact, probably not as much seasoning as perhaps your mango chicken, which I think is also fantastic. You do have options for vegetarians or for people who don't eat red meat. It's that black pepper sauce, I think, is like the one that you use on a couple of the dishes that I think is just so delicious. It's just so flavorful.
Originally, I was using the black pepper just in chicken. But then gradually people start asking me, can I get the salmon with the black pepper sauce? Can I get it? And I end up saying, okay, I'll do it. And that's where we have the three dishes that it has the black pepper sauce.
Nice. The restaurant has been here for about 30 years?
32 years.
32 years. And now back at it better than ever. Come on now. Salute.
Thank you.